almost refunded this AI tool within the first 48 hours, but what happened on day 3 completely changed my mind, and honestly, I didn't expect this at all. And if you're thinking of buying GeminAI 3.1 Max, there's something very important they're not clearly telling you. In this video, I'll show you what actually happened when I used this, the one feature that shocked me, and why this $12 tool might replace $300 per month subscriptions, but also where it completely fails. Because honestly, this is not just another AI tool. And it's also not as simple as the sales page makes it look. So when I first logged into GeminAI 3.1 Max, I thought this was just another overhyped dashboard, day 1. I was honestly confused. Too many features, too many AI tools, and I wasn't sure what to use. Day 2, I tried generating content, and the results were good, but nothing crazy. But day 3 is where things got interesting. Before I show you what happened, you need to understand one thing about this tool: this isn't just one AI. It's basically a collection of 100+ premium AI tools combined into one dashboard. We're talking about tools that normally cost $200 per month, $100 per month, $20 per month, separately. And somehow, they bundled everything into one platform. So on day 3, I decided to test something real. I created a full YouTube script, AI images, and even a short video, and everything was done in less than 30 minutes. That's when I realized this is not a normal AI tool. But here's the problem. If you don't use it properly, you'll just end up like everyone else, generating useless content. So here's what I actually did. Instead of just typing random prompts, I used it to build a complete affiliate content system, script to visuals to video to funnel, all inside one tool. And this is where it becomes dangerous, because this tool can literally replace writers, designers, and video editors. But let me be honest, this is not for people who expect instant money. And it's also not beginner-friendly if you don't understand basic marketing. You still need strategy, traffic, consistency. But if you know what you're doing, this can save you hundreds of dollars every single month. Now here's something interesting. The biggest problem with most AI tools is, you still need other tools to make them work properly, but if you decide to get this, there's something that actually removes that problem completely. Bonus 1. 100+ premium paid ICE bundled in with GeminAI 3.1 Max. You're getting access to 100+ premium paid ICE inside it, tools that normally cost up to $300 per month, or even more. So instead of paying for image tools, writing tools, video tools, and coding tools, everything is already inside one system. Bonus 2. Premium YouTube with no ads. Which sounds small, but if you're creating content daily, it actually saves time and keeps you focused. Now here's the part that doesn't make sense. This entire setup normally costs around $200 plus per month. But right now, it's available for a one-time price, which honestly feels underpriced. So after testing this, here's my honest conclusion: is it perfect? No. Is it powerful? Yes. Would I recommend it? Only if you're serious about actually using AI to build something. If you want to check it out, I've left the link in the description. And if you're getting it, make sure you get it before the price goes up, because these launch offers don't stay for long.